How to fix WhatsApp images not showing in gallery on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp images not showing in gallery on Android phone. First, just open WhatsApp, and now click these 3 points here, and then click settings, and show newly downloaded media in your device. Here we'll find it, this one, just enable it, enable media visibility, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just select any shot you want, like this one. You want just click on your contact profile, and here we'll find it, media visibility, and click yes. And as you see, default is yes, and you can make it here yes if you want or no. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.